the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1 cup of melted butter, that's 2 sticks of butter, 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and also 2 cups of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, the first thing you want to do is get your flour. You're going to add your salt in and your baking soda. And you're going to mix until well combined. And we're just going to set that to the side. Okay guys, you can heat your oven to 375 degrees. Now we're going to get a large bowl. We're going to empty our butter in there. We're going to put our granulated sugar and also our brown sugar. And all you want to do is mix that until it's well combined. Once everything is well combined, you're going to go ahead and add your eggs and your vanilla extract, and you're going to mix that until it's well combined also. Next, we're going to begin to add in our flour mixture, and we're going to mix until well combined. Once everything is well combined, next we're going to add in our chocolate chips. And once again, mix until well combined. Next, you want to get a baking tray or a cookie sheet, and we're going to line it with parchment paper. I have an ice cream scooper over here, so all we're going to do is begin to scoop out our cookies, and we're going to place them onto the cookie sheet 1.5 inches apart. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and put them into our oven, 375 degrees, for 12 to 14 minutes until the edges are crispy and the centers are soft. Okay guys, our chocolate chip cookies are done. I'm going to let them cool off before I plate them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade chocolate chip cookies. They're soft and chewy, and your whole family will love them. Get you a nice cold glass of milk, and you're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.